Hello again, everybody. Spirit says we have danger, especially with our monies, but it's forced upon us so that we can bring our ideas, our new ideas into life. Bring those changes to life. It's going to make things brighter for us in all areas of our life. We are being offered stability by Archangel Michael, and that is allowing us to move forward with our new ideas. A wish is going to be granted, and they want us to know that endings are inevitable. The Archangel Gabriel wants us to know that there are challenges, but nothing that we can't resolve. Withdraw from the drama of others and have patience with yourself and others around you. Your loved ones and angels in the heavens are sending you loads and loads of love. They are with you. And they say they believe in you. They say there's a hidden truth that will soon be revealed. Expect the unexpected. There is help coming from the heavens as far as our financials go to bring us balance, and divine wishes are coming into our lives. We've tried out so many things, so just be patient now. There are improvements underway. There's happiness and love all around us. Tune into that. And we are going to get the good answers that we need for our lives. Whatever you're busy with, keep doing it. It's going to pay off. But bring a more playful, uplifting sense into your life. Remember to practice self love, and our spirit wants us to beware of greed. Have a lovely day, everybody. I love you all so, so much.